but this client is much older, Samoan woman, and she's probably in like her 60s or something like that. But anyways, I got to see her in our initial session and things like that, and being able to help her work through depression. And mind you, this was one of the sessions where I had to do in complete Samoan language. So for me to even be able to like do what I do, but do it in our language was huge for me. Right. So being able to talk her through and help this client to understand depression and what it is, because I'm saying it to her in Samoan, I'm speaking to her in Samoan, I'm explaining the symptoms, I'm explaining why she's feeling this way, and how things are working in her mind, in her body, and why she's experiencing this way, and some of the things that she can do. And I'm saying all of this in Samoan, right? And